Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert PDF XChange Editor to Excel. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the simple process of taking a PDF file in PDF XChange Editor and exporting it into an Excel format. This can be especially useful if your PDF contains tables, structured data, or information you want to sort, edit, or analyze more easily in a spreadsheet. To begin, open PDF XChange Editor on your computer. Make sure the PDF you want to work with is already open, or open it once the program launches. Starting here is important because all of the export options we need are found inside the editor itself. Once you're in PDF XChange Editor, move to the top left corner of the window and click on File. This opens the main file menu, where you'll find options for opening, saving, printing, and exporting your document. If you're not used to working in this program, this menu is the main place to access document-level actions. After the File menu opens, click on Export. The Export option is what allows you to convert your PDF into other file formats. This is different from simply saving the file because exporting changes the document into a format that can be used in another application, such as Microsoft Excel. From the Export options, select Excel. Choosing Excel tells PDF XChange Editor that you want the contents of the PDF converted into a spreadsheet-compatible file. If your PDF includes rows, columns, or clearly organized data. This step is especially helpful because Excel makes that information much easier to manage. Keep in mind that the final formatting may depend on how the original PDF was created, so documents with complex layouts may need a little cleanup afterward. Next, click OK and then follow the on-screen procedure. At this stage, the software may ask you where you want to save the new file, what name you want to give it, or which Excel format you'd like to use. Simply complete the prompts as they appear. Take a moment to confirm the save location so the file is easy to find once the export is finished. After the process completes, open the Excel file and quickly review the contents. This helps you confirm that the data transferred correctly and lets you spot any formatting issues right away. That's all it takes to convert a PDF from PDF XChange Editor into Excel. Thanks for following along.